how to turn off power saving mode in Windows 11. In today's video, I'll show you how to turn off power saving mode in Windows 11 and maximize your PC's performance. Let's get started. First, click the Start button and open Settings. If you don't see it, search for Settings and open the app. In the Settings window, select System, then click Power and Battery. Under Energy Saver, make sure Energy Saver is turned off. You can also disable lower screen brightness when using Energy Saver if it's enabled. Next, Power Mode. Set it to Best Performance for both plugged in and on battery, if those options are available on your device. After that, open Screen, Sleep, and Hibernate timeouts. If you don't want your display or PC to turn off automatically, change the timeout settings to Never. For additional power settings, close the Settings app, search for Control Panel, and open it. Click Power Options. Here, you can select your preferred power plan or click Change Advanced Power Settings to customize power options for your computer. That's it. You've successfully turned off power saving mode and optimized your Windows 11 PC for better performance. If you found this tutorial helpful, click like and subscribe for more such content.